So I went to go check the PO box and I got some stuff. And this is from J.W. Tony Bath & Co. Body Essential. Let's see what it is. Package to perfection. So this is Dahabu Botanical Serum. This have calendula extract, salicylic acid. This is how it looks. And this is the Manifest Rose Beauty Serum. This is how it looks. And here is the link. It says, thank you for your support. Enjoy 10% off. Welcome 10. We want to be a part of your journey. And this is the back. The word Dahabu comes from the Swahili word golden. We thought this would be the appropriate name for our amazing serum. Dahabi is a clarifying botanical serum that moisturizes, rejuvenates while addressing acne breakout issues. Dahabi is formulated with only lightweight, nutrient-rich carrier oils, healing botanical extract, and salicylic acid to combat all of the issues that acne sufferers have to deal with in caring for their special skin type. The Manifest Rose Oil is a beauty oil that is superior to all others on the market. Manifest Rose is formulated with Rose Demi Absolute, a powerful essential oil that is extracted from thousands of French rose petals. Rose Demi addresses signs of aging, dull, lackluster skin by providing incredible moisture, rejuvenation on thirsty skin. Manifest Rose is suited for all skin types, but target for damaged, dry, irritated skin. Manifest Rose is truly a powerful oil that will transform your skin with a few small drops. So thank you very much to Joanne Tony or Tony and Co. I hope I'm not butchering your name. That is nice of you to send me. I will definitely try them out. I love serums, so this will be a great addition to the skincare collection. I love skincare actually. And this is from Anne-Marie James. Anne-Marie actually contacted me on Instagram. I think this is something for Milani. OMG, this is so nice. And Right and Wipe. Wow. This is the stuff that I like to get for my kids. So thank you very much, Anne-Marie. I actually really love educational stuff for my kids. I don't like a lot of toys. So this is amazing, okay? Especially Kai. Kai is superior when it comes on to educational stuff. The 5-minute snuggle stories. Oh, this is nice. I guess I'm gonna have to start reading Kai bedtime stories, man. That's what's up. Love, love, love. And then Winnie the Pooh 5-minute stories. Thank you, Anne-Marie. I'm thoroughly happy with these, okay? Thoroughly happy. And it says Annie, Brains and Solo. Let's see. And it says 20. She gave us 20 bucks. I'm sure that's for Kai. Great day, Brains and Soul Flow and family. Thanks for being a bright light for me to see when my way seemed dark. Thank you. I've finally gotten out to mail Kai's gift, and better late than never. Love the new things you're doing, Brains, and you look beautiful. Can't seem to catch Soul Flow morning thoughts. Meds mash up at 6 a.m. Enclosed is $20 donation. Keep doing what you're doing and have a wonderful day. Keep up the good work. And Marie James, she gave us her number. I can't seem to leave my comments. I got an error. I'm not a techie and I don't know how to fix it. I tried YouTubing how to fix it, but not giving me what I'm looking for. Have a blessed day. 13th of October, Tuesday. Thank you, Anne-Marie. Hit me in my DM and actually screenshot a picture of what you're seeing, and I'll actually try to help you fix it. I'll probably just put this away for Kai savings. Anytime people send me money, I always put it away, and I always keep your guys' letter. I'm actually gonna make a scrapbook with everybody's letter that sent me something from when I was pregnant with Milani to when I was pregnant with Kai and was in hiding. And yeah, so I'm actually gonna leave this in his room. I'm actually in his room right now. So those are actually for Kai, not Milani. That's what's up. So I'm planning on decorating our living room because our living room is a bit blah. And I don't know why I'm doing this because it's pretty much going to be a waste of time, but I want to enjoy my Thanksgiving and I want to enjoy my Christmas because I'm not going to Philly this year for Thanksgiving or Christmas, and I want it to be enjoyable for myself and my kids. So I'm gonna decorate and put my all into that. So I got some stuff from Amazon, and these are some tablecloths that I'm going to put on the table, and it comes with a set of 12, and these are cotton and they're very nice quality, perfect to spruce up your dining room table. I have some green one from last year, but I'm gonna switch out the colors. And then I got me some pillowcases. And then here is another set. These are more velvet. These are more fluffy, and these are 8 by 18, 18 by 18, and these are just long pillows. Don't know what size it is. I got these, and then I got a throw blanket. So yeah, I'm actually waiting on the curtains for the living room to come, but yeah, I wanted to show you guys before I actually start putting them up. I'm sure I'm going to cluster all of this into the video that I actually put up the decorations and all that, so stay tuned. Here's a bit dark. So whoever sent these, thank you very much. They sent some cute booties and a crown and a crochet pillow. I know this took forever, so thank you very much. These I'm actually gonna do a photo shoot for Milani when she's 6 months old with. Hi guys, so we're just gonna be doing a little bit of cleaning and decorating for the fall holiday season. I'm not one to actually do a lot of decorating. I do 2 decorations a year, and that's one in the fall and winter, and then another one in the summer, the spring and summer. So I'm not very extravagant as far as house decorations is concerned, but I like for my home to look a certain way. But all I'm doing now is replacing the center panel with this burnt orange nice panel, sheer panel that I have, and placing that in the middle. I'm also going to be cleaning off this couch. I don't know where that clip went. Sweeping out the house and reorganizing the back table behind this couch, which you guys will see. And I feel like some of the stuff that I'm doing is self-explanatory, so I'm just gonna stop talking and let you guys watch and play some music in the background. This is how it looks from this standpoint with the curtain and everything. This is how over here looks. They have their diapers and stuff. Me and Babe's picture. His mom graduating, flowers, that candles, my good luck elephant, and these were actually bought at Ross, another elephant. I love elephants. Elephants are a sign of good luck. This is our coffee table. I would love to put a rug here and put some little knickknacks on the coffee table. But the way my kids are set up, Kai eats here sometime, they play here. So I don't want anything in their way. I want my So what I wanted to say was I wanted my house being accessible to my kids to play, to eat, to drink, to do whatever, especially common areas like the living room. And that's another big reason why I did not put anything on the coffee table, because this coffee table is used a lot by all the kids, whether they eat there, play there, sit there. So I wanted it to be accessible to them and for them to use. So that's why I didn't put anything on this coffee table. I would love to decorate it and put stuff on there, but for now my kids are too little and they're not going to know not to mess with it. So I just leave it empty and bare, to save myself from headaches constantly telling them to leave it alone. You want to roll it, and I'm doing this with one hand because I have Milani. And you want to roll it to the other side. Then you want to put the so you would put the thing in the middle like that. Then you would get, I'm doing all of this with one hand. Please forgive me. Then you would push each side through the ring. And then you would push the other one through the ring like this, and then you would have something like this. So that's what I'm about to do. I didn't like the other one, it's a bit too flatty. So yeah. So this is how the table looks. I'm just showing you guys one picture of one section of the table, and the ring is from Walmart, the ring is from Amazon, the table napkin is from Amazon, the platter is from the dollar store, the mat is from Walmart, and also the decoration on the plate is from Walmart. I think they were the $1. They were very inexpensive, and that's how the table actually looks. I'm very happy with it. The only thing I need to add is some flower in that vase, and I would much rather real flowers than fake flowers, so I'm gonna wait on my husband to get me some real flowers. So yeah, this is how the table looks. This is how the living room looks. It looks very homey and inviting. My husband actually really loved this throw blanket and these pillows, so everybody's happy with the little upgrade that I did. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and tell me if you guys actually like this type of videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.